Good morning, everyone. Today is the 23rd of April, 2018. It's a Monday morning. Hope everybody had a great weekend. Market's getting ready to open here, and I'll be back. There we go. Market is open. See what she wants to do here. Looks like she wants to go short. Got in with the short right there. Hey, just got the thumbs up that we are going to go down no matter what's happening right here. Very high probability of going down. Got a thumbs up. Got a signal. There we go. 3/4 of the way to target. It's coming back up. Great place to add on. All we need is a signal. There we go. Just got a signal. Right here. And it's just the next leg down, which would be equivalent to coming to the 100 right here. Or the 62, if you're going for half of it. But the whole leg would be the 100% down here, which is 3 nuggets, I believe. So you got in here, you got down there. Yeah, you're looking at 3 nuggets. There we go. Target's filled. Got my 3 nuggets this morning. And I'm done for the day. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Have a great day. We hit the 3 nuggets on this one here. Let's see. We got in there, right about there. I almost got 3 nuggets. 3 nuggets is right about here. So let's see if we hit that. Pretty close. Pretty close. Come on, you can do it. There you go. Bam. Awesome. Now, ready for a long. Ready for a long. As we're coming down, noticing we're getting separation here, right? That means there's power to the upside that needs to be released. Did not have that picture up here, right? We had BBs on the rail. So that was not the pressure that decided the short. We've got a lot of different pressures we incorporate, but this one here is the one I'm willing to share on YouTube. Here's a separation, and we're going to have a push to the upside. Waiting for a signal. Signal would be this yellow dot curling to the upside. Okay, get ready for the signal. It's about to happen. Still have the separation here on the 233. That's the pressure that's going to push it up for 3 points. Hopefully 3 points. Could be more. But the stage is set. Okay, now we're getting separation on the 440 here. The 233 relinquished his pressure, or released his pressure, I should say, to the upside. He got tighter to the rail. But this 440 actually separated from the rail. So he passed it over to the big brother, the 440. I would prefer to see the pressure on the 440 than the 233. It's got more clout. Still waiting for the same thing. Now that we're passing into the 440, we're still looking for a signal on the 144 to curl. Okay, keep an eye on the yellow dot. If it points up, we're going long. There we go, got a signal. If you notice, the BBs are slowing down, they're piling up on top of one another. The yellow dot curled right here, that's the signal. Get into the trade right there. Okay, all the way down here, I was expecting a reversal. Did not happen. Did not have the yellow dot that curled. Finally, it curled, but it's even more powerful because the 440's got the separation. Looking for 3 nuggets. Would be right about, oh, good shot. Right about there. Let's see what happens. Okay, anytime you enter a trade and that yellow dot curls, what it's actually done is left a pivot back here. So if you get into the trade right here, if you get into the trade where the yellow dot curled, as it curls, it's leaving a pivot in its wake right here. Okay, that's where you put your stop loss. So wherever you get in, your first objective is to move your stop loss behind the pivot that you took the trade on. Pushing up nicely here, almost at 3 nuggets. Don't care about 144 anymore. Don't look at it except for entry signals. A 144 is worthless other than entry signals. It'll freak you out. It'll tell you things that aren't really there. There we are. Got your 3 nuggets here. Yeah, almost. There you go. Come on. There you go. Got your 3 nuggets there. Easiest falling off a log. Let's say you're holding one set that you got out here, but you still have another set in the trade. Let's get out at the first sign of danger. So let's say you're trading 2 contracts and you got out with one set at 3 nuggets and you're letting the other one ride. Okay, what are you looking at? You're looking at the 233, looking for the first signs of danger. Basically what that looks like is the BBs piling up on top of one another or slowing down. Okay, right now the distance between these 3 is pretty much equal, telling you it's got all intentions of continuing on. Okay, this is a great opportunity for a short here, guys. I'm seeing a very nice opportunity for a short. So I believe this run to the upside is going to be very short-lived. I would probably get out right here, just knowing what's about to happen from other things on the chart right here. I would probably exit right here. But let's continue with the first sign of danger here, okay? For the record, I'm out here. But let's wait for the first sign of danger. If you weren't aware of other things on the chart, if you're just looking at this for a slowdown. Okay, if you notice the distance is a little bit shorter between that BB and that BB than it was from the previous. It's the early stages of a slowdown. right here was the signal to get out. I think my recorder was off here for a second. Right here was the signal to get out. As this yellow dot curled down, this 233 slowed down. Okay, the 144 is also good for an exit signal. It's good for an entry. It's also good for an exit. If you're going to go pivoting the other direction, it's just as well served as a exit signal. So right there you would have gotten out. And if you're looking for a short, would have gotten in here. Okay, so if we're looking for a short, I was saying that there was a nice opportunity right here. We would have gotten it right there for a short. But anyway, looking at this run to the upside, we would have gotten 3 points with the first set. And then if you were still holding the second set, you would have gotten 5 points, close to 5 points. Okay, so you got an extra 2 nuggets, 2 points, holding for the first sign of danger. And it's all in correlation to what the BBs are telling us. Going for a short here. How far are you going to hold it? 3 points. Or the first sign of danger. Whatever suits your fancy. It's either or. It's up to you, the individual. It's your choice. So if we're looking for 3 points here, okay, once you're in the trade, you don't need the 144 anymore unless you're ready to exit. Ooh, looks like a nice opportunity to add on here. Okay, if you're thinking about adding on, wait for that yellow dot to curl again. Why are we adding on? There's a lot of pressure to the downside, guys. A lot of pressure. There it is, signal. Bam. Go short. Right there. Oh, took it back. Okay, so you would have possibly committed there. I would have committed just because I know it's very likely to go down. There's other factors involved here that's convinced me to be positive about that push down, but right here is the confirmation right there on that yellow dot right there. Okay, which would have been right about here. Okay, we're in the trade, don't need the 144 anymore. So we're looking for 3 nuggets for both of these, let's say. Both basically the same entry, so I'm just going to pull one measurement to simplify things. Looking for 3 nuggets. Target's down there. Bam, target's hit. Whether you're in with the intent of getting 3 nuggets, you'd have gotten out right here. If you were in with the intent of covering half, you would have covered half right here. If you're letting the other half run for the first sign of danger, you'd still be in with half, out with the other half. Let's hold till the first sign of danger. Basically, in simple form, yellow dot pointing to the upside would be a signal to exit. Okay, still no yellow dot pointing up, right? With this picture like this, where it could possibly point up at any second, I would be at break even +1. Okay. Hoping it doesn't point up because there's more down. There's still a lot of pressure to the downside. But encountering a little turbulence here where there is power to the upside that needs to be released. Okay, so it could go either way. Okay, so what do we got here? 233, drastically slowing down. 144 saying I might curl up. Keep an eye on me. Okay, so still in the trade. Nothing curled up here. Pushing down. Telling us to hang in there. We're still going down. Okay, here we go. 233 is pointing up. 144 is about to point up. If I'm going to get out while the getting's good, it's right here. I would have given a little bit back. I noticed it right about here, so would have gotten out there, give a little bit back. Would have been better off just grabbing the 3 nuggets on the second set of contracts here. The reason we use 3 nuggets is because the RTY has a habit of producing 3-point runs. Sometimes more, don't get me wrong, but on average, you're pretty safe to get in and get out with 3 points. Holding for 4 or 5, it's a little bit iffy. Doesn't mean it's not going to happen, it's just not as the average. So anyway, would have gotten out there, but looking at all these opportunities here, just using pressures of the separation for the most part. There's a couple pressures here that didn't go into more advanced, but there are multiple opportunities on the RTY on a daily basis. So there's opportunities running rampant here the whole morning. You just need to know what to look for. And I'm just sharing the simple ones here. The students that have taken the classes, they know there's more advanced setups, but majority of the time, you don't really need to incorporate the advanced strategies and setups. If you anticipate what the market's about to do, it's a piece of cake. Yeah, you have some rough days, don't get me wrong. There's days you get chewed up. Well, some days you just can't read the market right, but a majority of the days, 80% of the time, you're able to see what the market's about to do. That's pretty good odds. Anyway, you guys have a great day. I just thought I'd share with you here the opportunities as I see them. In simple terms, these are the simple opportunities, simple entries, simple pressures with simple entries with the 144 yellow dot curling, slowing down. There's no reason you can't take these trades by the information that's just presented here on these videos. Guys, have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.